Hey folks, just a quick mortgage minute update because today the Bank of Canada made a rate announcement, and as was predicted, they came out and said they're not going to change anything. I guess have a few quick notes from the new Bank of Canada Governor Tiff Macklin, who came out and said we should expect a low interest rate environment for the foreseeable future. No shock, no surprise there. The U.S. Fed down in the States said they're not going to change interest rates for as much as 2 years. So it's going to be a long process here of prolonged lower interest rates. A couple of quotes from the statement: the Canadian economy is starting to recover but this is really important. The economic activity of Q2 is estimated to have been 15% below its level, that the same level at the end of 2019. This is the deepest decline since the Great Depression. That's 90 years, folks. So I mean, we have to understand that the economy has the deepest decline in 90 years. It's going to take a while to come back from it. He said, however, and this is directly from the Bank of Canada. However, the results of the decline, etc., is less severe than the worst case scenarios they discussed back in April. So they're actually not overly. It's not dire news. They're not like really negative, and there's actually some optimism in there. We've experienced some bounce back in our economic numbers, but predictably we'll not see any growth in GDP until 2021. Again, one of the quotes was, decisive and necessary fiscal and monetary policy actions have supported incomes and kept credit flowing. So look for a continuation of quantitative easing, the printing of money, the buying of bonds and buying of mortgages. The Bank of Canada is going to be very active and will continue to do so. The really important thing is, what's the outlook moving forward? The outlook is, quote, extremely uncertain. Let's face it, we live in very uncertain times. The Bank of Canada believes it will take a long time for economic activity to get back even to the level it was at the end of 2019 before the pandemic. Their next announcement is September 9th. So there you have it. No rate change. No rate change in the foreseeable future. Status quo. We took a massive hit, the worst in 90 years, but arguably not as bad as people had thought back in April. We're starting to claw our way out of this. Let's hope we don't get a second wave and issues like what we're seeing down south don't creep over the border and cause us to have a second shutdown, etc. In any event, we will keep an eye on this for you. Just want to give you a quick update and hope you have an absolutely awesome week. Thanks. Bye for now.